Describe how the wedding experience was so far. Come on, seriously. You enjoyed it?
We're having the best time.
Is this
no one will ever forget Monty Stein's wedding. Ever.
Wait, she wants to make a lipstick. 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah.
How about the husband saying a couple of words? Go ahead.
Oh, we're having such a good time. We try to fix a flat tire on our bus. But we're on this bus.
Good.
And you were nice to let us on to join you. Much appreciated.
What do you wish Chassan and Kala?
Oh, a hearty hospitality. I'm sure they're enjoying themselves at the wedding hall, which they're not leaving, luckily.
Okay, enjoy. Thank you.